At Build.org, we don't just help students build businesses with our entrepreneurship program and design challenges. We help them build confidence, we help them build character, and help them build resilience. Build students, build relationships with business mentors, and build bridges to their communities that lead them to new opportunities. We're building a more diverse and inclusive workforce by helping students build the entrepreneurial skill set needed to thrive in a rapidly changing world. Now we're building out our digital offering so we can help thousands more youth build their resumes and ultimately build successful careers.
My name is Nico. I'm a young man in my 20s, currently trying to make sense of the world that we're living in.
See what we're building together with Comcast at build.org and find out how you can help us build a better future for all our young people.